The weekly code quiz. How can we incorporate the newer file formats such as webp, heic, heif, or avif into our code when browser support is inconsistent? We would use the picture element because it allows the browser to determine which image from several options can be loaded. What are some other reasons you might want to use the picture element? The primary reason is actually art direction. We may want to load a different crop of an image or another image entirely, depending on the type of screen on which it is displayed. Another reason is responsive design. Now that we are interacting with the web on our desktops with large screens to our handheld mobile devices, our design needs to look good on many types of screens. Responsive design means that our design changes with regards to its environment. We have to consider the speed of loading and would not want to load an image for a large screen onto a phone. What comprises the picture element? The picture element consists of other elements, the image element, and multiple source elements. Why are there multiple source elements? The additional source elements are there to offer alternative options of images for different scenarios. The browser will evaluate each option and choose the best match to display. What is the role of the image element? If problems occur, it will display the fallback image that we indicate in the source attribute of the image element. The other attributes of the image element are used by the picture element to help it with presenting the image appropriately. For example, alt text. What are the attributes associated with the source element of the picture element? The media, source set, sizes, and type attributes. In our next weekly code quiz, we will review the use of the picture element attributes. Presented by Designers Learn Code.